Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize trend line of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take a chart. Click the chart and click chart element. Then click the thread line option and go to the more option. Then we can see here we customize the trend line. Otherwise you can apply this trend line effect. Now we can see we customize this trend line of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.